Disassembly of the gantry frame. First, remove the bolts at the connecting pipe and then remove the connecting pipe. Use a rubber mallet or a soft object to push upwards at the step of the cover. Remove the 4 screws at the top. Pull up part of the front panel. Remove the electronic control panel. Pull out both the front and rear panels. Remove the 4 upper support plates. Loosen the screw cap. Remove the fastener at the slide bar. Remove the slide bar retaining sleeve and pin assembly. Remove the counterweights one by one. Remove the bolts from the left and right side covers and remove the side covers. Remove the bolts at the bottom and take out the bolts inside the connection. Finally, remove the lower cover.